in this occasion, let's continue with the project. Sorry that I'm going to start just right, like if it was from scratch. Let's just open here our, let's see, Figma. Let's go here to Figma.com, and I think that I have it actually is on Chrome. So let's just open the Git bash, and while it is charging, just to make sure. Oh, apparently here is also working. That's good. Let's just open the Git bash, and in here I'm gonna go cd c sam page docs, and as you can see, what I'm going to do is just to say that I'm gonna go, for example, clothing shop site. Remember that I said that what we're going to do now is just to apply the style to the last element that was on the body, and also we're going to make the logo. You would say, but how are we going to make a logo to actually it is not that difficult, and also it is going to be very fun. You will see that we will learn a lot. So let's just try to make it. First thing is what I said about the image. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to try to even put like a counter on here on my cell phone for me not to take much time. I have a challenge with someone called Patrick right now, but I'm just gonna ignore it because I am making this video. So let's see the the this thing here. I'm gonna deactivate here, and also there was another thing that I was about to do and I forgot it because I got the challenge right now. Oh, a chronometer here. I'm gonna put a chronometer, and it is going to be just 000. You see, I'm gonna put hit on here, and I'm gonna put a goal to do the tutorial before 5 minutes, for example. Nope, actually, it won't be before 5 minutes. But let's say that I am going to make the section that I said that I would like to be more this one here, like uh, smaller and kind of more adaptable to the size of it. Being honest, I could even leave it like that and go on with the logo, but I like to be very straight. When I'm doing something, I like to finish it. So let's just finish this, and then we do the logo, and then after that, we're gonna review. If I have time in this afternoon, we're gonna review the project that we were working before, which is Jonas Chronicles. This is my main. That is my main project. This was stretching my mind. Remember that that is like an space that you need to sometimes to stretch out. There is a song that I like from, let's see, I think that is Gym Class Heroes. Stretch Out is called, and it's very cool, the song. So let's just, oh no, it is from 21 Pilots. But I think that also the man that sings on Gym Class Heroes also is in there or something like that. Anyway, just let's put this here. You see, let's go here, F2, F12, sorry, and in here I'm gonna put this. Just you see it. This supporting hover. I'm gonna say that I would like it to be, for example, with a fixed width, 100 pixels of 8 and 100 pixels of 8. And I would like it to be when it's hover. Also, I would like it to have the same thing. When I say the same thing, is the same. Sorry, it says, let's put this bold, and now you can see that it is smaller, but it is not exactly as I wanted. But actually, it is working. we have to test the things. I mean, it is not that we're gonna do one thing and it's going to work just because we did it and that's it. No, no. Life does not work like that, and it is not supposed to. Let's put this also on auto. Let's put um. You see here that it says, for example, left auto and top auto. We can take it out and we can just put on here on the individual div. We can say that the display is gonna be flex or in like no, just flex and justify content center and text align center and align items center. And let's just take it out from here. And as you can see, it's kind of working. I mean, you don't see it maybe yet, but you will see it right now. I mean, it's super, super, super simple. What is missing is just to put here this, let's see, this 230, for example, pixels and 230 pixels. And just say that. And just let's copy this here. Let's go to the supporting here and just paste on here. Let's put width 230 pixels, and you see this left and top, just let's remove it. It's not necessary because uh, actually it is something that has it is fixed. How can I say it? It is fixed because what is supporting this div is inside of another div, and it is the container which is up here. You see this one? So this one, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna say that I would like to have display flash, justify content, and all these things. Just like that. Display flash, justify content center, and align items center. I don't use text align because text align is also is already being used. If I update, you can see that it is done. I mean, that was everything. Yes, that was everything. You can see that that was everything. Now let's do the logo. By the way, we have exactly 5 minutes doing that. We can say that we have accomplished the goal of doing this. And you will see it very simple, but I will tell you the truth. That is not simple for some developers. This job that you see here, for some developers, it can take it more than 2 or 3 days. And we have done this in just few hours of some days of this week. And I have done a lot of other things together. So let's just now try to make the logo. It can be even in Figma here. We can open it here and just let's look for, you know what is the stereo headsets. It is like that. Yes, stereo headsets. And let's put the, we like to have say one that is kind of, yeah, this one I like it. By the way, I had an Xbox when I was a kid. I loved it. Just let's go here and just go. Let's open the paint. You will say paint, Reno? Yes, paint. And in paint, we're gonna put this, and let's try to remove the. Let's crop and let's try to remove the background. By the way, I don't remember how to do that, but I know that it's possible. Um, the thing is that on Photoshop it is just by using one click, but on here I don't remember if it is just with one click. Oh yes, here it is possible. Freeform selection. I think that is, sorry. Let's see. Select. Oh no. I remember that I have done it on Paint, if I am not wrong. Transparent selection? No. Whoa. Well, uh, let's just try to make it here. I don't know if it will be possible, but maybe it is. Um, for us to take out the background, we would have to make a selection. Let's see. Well, as it is something super simple, I will use another tool that is similar to Photoshop. But how can I say it? It is like Adobe XD, but I will just use it right now just to take out the background of this here, and that's it. Okay, just for that, nothing else. I will crop the image as well here, just to not touch the image anymore. After I do this, I will crop it and export as PNG. After I export it, I will say that I would like it just like that with the default parameters, and that's it. After I got the image without the background, I can go here. Let's just remove this one and let's try to insert one image here. How can we do this? I guess that in here we have like the option to insertion, which is maybe here. Let's see. No, 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 no. See, pages, genes, layers. Okay. You see, for example, this image. I chose it, but I would like to choose one image. Okay, let's do it faster. Let's just open again Paint, and in here I'm gonna say that I would like to open an image that is going to be on the download site, and I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna, uh, sorry, I don't want to save this one. Let's open the one that is in downloads, and don't save this one. And you see that this one is just being opened. What I'm going to do is just to copy it. How? I am gonna say I'm gonna do this. Being honest, it should not be like that. But I don't know how to import an image on here. Let's see. Widgets, manage widgets. So let's look for that. How to import an image to Figma. And file place image. It says that it's in file. Let's look for that option. And archive. No, it's not a archive. Desktop maybe. No, it's nothing on this. Let's see what is prototype here. Doesn't see anything that says. Let's see. mm, for example, this. Let's say that we would like to make a no file in drop down. Select. Okay, we have to choose the icon on here, and in here we go to file and we go to place image. There we go. Now we got the image. Oh, but sadly the image does not have the the characteristic that I said. So let's try to place the image. I don't know why it is not with the background transparent as I was expecting, but at least we got it here. Um, let's try to divide it. How we're gonna do that? Well, we're gonna create a new layer. Let's say that we like to create a new layer on here. Uh, I'm not an expert on Figma because I don't use it much. But let's just create, you see, for example, the page. Let's go down here and I will just choose this blank space and I will say, I would like to insert, let's see, file, place image, and I will insert the image just right here on a blank space. Let's see if, yes, it is on a blank space. Now it is just like alone. I will say that I don't want to feel it. Let's just say that we want to sorry, it is because maybe the image is transparent but we don't see it transparent. Okay, let's test if it is transparent or no just by opening again the little Photoshop that I have. And I'm going to go file, open, and I'm going to say downloads, this here. And you see that um, it has the background actually. So let's just take it out, take it out, and let's just export it. I don't know why it has the background. It is supposed to not have it. Off headset. And let's put stereos, audio. And let's put the quality just like this. And just like that. Now let's just test again. I'm gonna remove this one and I'm going to go file, place image, and this one does not have the background. Excellent. That was what I wanted. Now what I'm going to do is just to take it down here and you see this. I'm gonna put it down all together. The menu, the item, all together. I'm gonna pull it down because I'm going to put this section bigger for having the title centered, just like this. And let's say that we would like, you see the italic. Let's say that we would like it to be bold italic, just like that. And you see this here. Let's put, for example, that the name of this is just on color red or something like that. But being honest, on white is okay. You just have to make like a underline. What is the underline here? See, it can be black italic for that, and that's it. If you want to put it, for example, red, that's your decision. In my case, I don't think that is necessary. Just with that, it will be like simply and also will be like enough, being honest. You will feel like, at least in my case, I feel like if it is working. Now, let's create a square here. Um, let's go to the square. It's a rectangle. And let's put the square that is going to say, for example, um, that This can be red. Yes, obviously this can be red. And the stroke, let's put it black, and let's put it that is going to be, is it that, the style is going to be rounded like this. Okay. By the way, I am not the king as well. Just for those who are wondering about it. Let me see. Whoever wants to be the creators will be like the minors at Jesus. Okay, and whoever is will be the first, will be the servant of all. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that I'm not pretending to be greater than anyone. I'm just trying to do a website. That's it. Now let's just make the text here and put it just right here. Login can be like that, and let's put this on white color, and that's it. Okay, in the next video, we're gonna pass this design to what is actually code. It is going to be very fun, and actually, we will learn a lot of things, and also um, we will apply what we have learned since other things. I mean, other tutorials that we have seen before. So nothing like very complicated. What we're gonna do is actually things that we already know because of, for example, the Jonas Chronicles project. I have done many things that are very complicated. So you will be seeing exactly kind of the same. And you can create, for example, on here the stage of the button when it is hover, and when it is over, we can say that we want it to be, for example, let's put it here, login hover, and here login normal. And let's say, oops, sorry, I pressed enter, and it turned me, and it took me out when I pressed enter. Okay, we had 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, I don't like it. But at least we have a lot of things done. Let's just change the color for you to see how it will be if we make a hover. This is like the stage in a hover, and this is the normal stage. Hovering stage, hovering normal, hovering normal. As simple as that. But as you can see, it is very kind of friendly. At least for me, it looks very cool. It is like if it is something that, like if it is something from uh, real life, but it's a website, and that is it. Like the nicest part. At least I like that design because of that. Simplicity. Always remember that. A design that has simplicity, but at the same time has the complexity of being well organized on what design um, matter concerns, then that is something well done. Uh, what I'm talking about? Well, about symmetry, about color and contrasts, about readability, something that can be readable, and all those. So see you in the next time, and remember that Jesus Christ loved you much more than what I could ever tell you. Uh, I am kind of angry. Oh, sorry, hungry. See you in the next time. Oh, I have to answer to Patrick. Let's see what he has played. NE2. See you in the next time.